Dr. Kevin here with another Health Tip Tuesday. Thank you for joining me. And today I wanted to talk to you about medicinal mushrooms. Now, not the magic mushrooms. These won't give you a trip to psychedelic land, but medicinal mushrooms are a very important thing that can help many people. Mushrooms have been used for thousands of years for a wide variety of health benefits. In fact, there have been over 20,000 scientific papers on the health benefits of mushrooms, and they've found hundreds of uses. Now, to try to simplify this for you, I wanted to boil it down to 5 types of mushrooms to focus on: lion's mane, Maitaki, Rishi, turkey tail, and chaga. Now, all of these mushrooms have some spillover effects, and they all do amazing things. They have anti-tumor, immune-boosting benefits, cardiovascular, detoxification, antiviral, antibacterial, antiparasitic, even things like cholesterol and diabetes and inflammation. There's probably a mushroom for many of today's worst ailments that has been used for thousands of years as medicine for even the worst of today's conditions. But more specifically about these 5, let's start with lion's mane. Lion's mane has long history as a medicine and especially used to promote nerve and brain health. Anything involving nerves or brain would benefit from looking into lion's mane as a potential for treating neurological disorders. Studies showed that 8 weeks of lion's mane was proven to decrease depression, anxiety, sleep disorders, improve mood disorders, and also anything with peripheral nerves like sciatica or carpal tunnel. Anything nerve or brain calls for lion's mane, which also has antiviral, anti-cancer, and antibacterial benefits as well. Now, the second mushroom I wanted to talk about today is Maitaki. Maitaki has many of those same benefits, but also has been shown for its cleansing ability, and specifically with heavy metals. In fact, one study showed it could reduce mercury in the blood by an astounding 50% by the second day. Now, we do mercury detox here at Dr. Kevin's Wellness Clinic already, but our current system isn't that effective, so we will be adding some Maitaki mushroom for our mercury detox and our other heavy metal and chemical detoxes as well. Now, let's talk about Rishi. In addition to these effects, Rishi and turkey tail mushrooms have the most powerful antiviral effects of the others. And actually, guys, I was blown away by looking at some of the research when it comes to the antiviral property of mushrooms. So they showed one that the virus that causes 70% of the mouth and throat cancers, the HPV virus, was reduced by 70% using Rishi and turkey tail mushrooms. And so these mushrooms have very profound antiviral effects. Now, Rishi mushrooms also have an amazing effect on autoimmune diseases and especially rheumatoid arthritis. Studies found that Rishi mushrooms significantly inhibited rheumatoid arthritis. And finally, chaga. Chaga mushrooms have been shown beneficial in Alzheimer's and dementia. Several studies actually showed for them to reduce the amyloid plaquing, which is the hallmark of Alzheimer's. So you're not just treating Alzheimer's symptoms, you're actually reducing the amyloid plaquing that causes Alzheimer's in the first place. Now, one thing to remember, you really need to be careful what you buy here. Companies can advertise they have the mushroom supplement, but if it's the stem called the mycelium that you're buying, we really don't know if that's effective. All of the research done on mushrooms is the flowering body, which is the top, the cap of the mushrooms. So just like all supplements, you really need to be careful what you're getting. I'm actually in the process of implementing an extremely high quality medicinal mushroom here in my practice at the time of this filming. And in the next few days, we'll have these amazing compounds right here available to our patients to continue to help as many people as possible reach their highest level of health. If you're suffering with any health problems and you want to discuss with me personally, give me a call at 983-CARE. That's 983-CARE, or click drkevinsclinic.com. Thank you for joining me.